for fighting and a 10-minute misconduct. Time of the penalties, 15:51.
Well, the 10-minute misconduct for Mike Knuble because he initiated that contact with Craig Adams. Pittsburgh, you would have thought, would have been a little bit sluggish here in the game today, but they haven't been. They came out firing on Jose Theodore in the first 60 seconds. Pittsburgh coming off a 5-3 loss yesterday in Montreal. That was a 2 p.m. face-off at the Bell Center. Had a quick turnaround for this 12 noon draw at Verizon.
And don't think that January 21st wasn't too long ago, and I'm sure they got that fresh in their mind now. The Capitals kind of took it to the Penguins in their home barn.
Second power play chance of the game for Pittsburgh. Evgeny Malkin extended his season-long point streak to 10 games, assisting on Crosby's power play goal the last time they had the chance. 2-0 Pens. Gonchar back to play it. Sergei Gonchar over the line to Malkin. It was picked off by Boyd Gordon. Nice.